What we hear all the time from our students is that no other university gives them this hands-on experience. That at any given time they have somebody that they can call, a real person that can help them. They can text, they can email, and the enrollment advisor will really address their question and make sure they know exactly what the next step is. It is very unique. The enrollment process at the University of St. Augustine really starts from the moment a student has decided that they're interested in our university. My team will reach out immediately. There's really early questions that come up that we can help guide them through. Then once that student is ready to apply, they are assigned to an enrollment advisor. And that enrollment advisor is really their partner through the entire journey.
It was great communication throughout.
She guided me through every step of the process, made sure that I had all the right documents and transcripts submitted. Yeah, she just made the whole process really, really easy.
We have many different opportunities for students to pursue their degrees. So we can spend that time with them and really help them understand what each pathway is so that they can make that best decision for them. We walk through every single piece of their application to make sure that those are, first of all, correct, and second of all, that they are going to put the student in the best light. And we can help guide them. If there's any improvements that we would recommend, we can have those conversations early on.
Really just laid out all the steps for me, just trying to make sure my application was perfect to actually submit it.
She just checked to make sure that those were all good, that I was putting my best foot forward.
What's really important once that admissions letter has been received is to start engaging with the cohort. And we have an event called Immersion Day. It's a day to come in, to spend time on the campus, to meet faculty, to meet their cohort, and they also have an opportunity to meet current students and ask those questions about what is it like? What's it like to be a student here?
Immersion Day really helped me see the campus. We got to get a full tour of the campus. They had a panel of the students who were already enrolled in the program, and we were able to ask them any questions that we needed and had for them, and how they were navigating throughout the program.
It did definitely solidify my decision of coming here.
Once we know that the student has been admitted, then we pick right up again, and the enrollment advisor then walks that student through the process of onboarding.
She went above and beyond. She made my application process much smoother.
She was the most responsive, and that really drew me into really honing down on coming to the University of St. Augustine.
I've gone to a couple different schools since undergrad, and I would say that this was the smoothest enrollment process, and that probably the one that was most high touch in terms of someone helping you out from start to finish.